What's up, internet? Current 1776 here with a quick video for you, or an announcement, some people might call this. We have finally surpassed 100,000 subscribers right here on the YouTube. I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty freaking awesome. I mean, it's kind of one of those milestones that all content creators want to reach that are on YouTube. I think it's freaking great. I mean, I'm excited about it. I mean, I'm pretty pumped about it, YEEHAW. Thank you very much. That's freaking awesome. So first off, I want to thank our OG subscribers. You guys have followed me in BattlBox since the beginning.
What I have in front of me is the very first month of BattlBox.
Thank you so much for all the support over the years, all the encouragement, watching my videos, commenting on my videos, helping me, give suggestions to help me make the content be better and all that stuff. I really appreciate it. And I wouldn't be here now as an employee of BattlBox doing this content if it weren't for you guys and your support. So I want to thank all you OG subscribers for that. Thank you so much. It's been an awesome freaking ride. To all the new subscribers, we wouldn't be here if it weren't for you either. So thank you very much for subscribing, and I really hope that you enjoy the content and you're going to stick around and enjoy all the cool new content that I got coming, y'all. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be making this video. So in celebration of reaching 100,000 subscribers, we're going to do an awesome giveaway. I promise you it's going to be awesome. So let me tell you about this here giveaway, y'all. So in celebration of 100,000 subscribers, we're going to give away 5 mystery boxes. It's going to be over $2,000 worth of gear split amongst 5 winners. And all you have to do to enter to win is, of course, be a subscriber and click the link below, fill out the information, and you'll be entered for your chance to win. On March 15th, we're going to randomly select 5 winners, and you'll be notified by email if you won. And then down in the comments, I'll put the names of the people who won, congratulating them. So again, thank you to everybody for subscribing to us here on YouTube and helping us reach over 100,000 subscribers. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment down below, hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hit that link down below so that you can enter to be one of the winners of the 5 boxes that we're giving away on March 15th. Love you, mean it. I'll see you on the next video.